Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. In this video, you will learn how to create a paragraph text form in WordPress using Formidable Forms plugin. So let's get started. But before getting started, ensure that you successfully install and activate the Formidable Form plugin. Now, to create a form containing paragraph text, all you need to do is click on this Formidable tab here in the sidebar. This is the Formidable Form dashboard here. You can see I have some existing forms here. You can either create a new form or edit the existing form and add paragraph text field in it. In my case, I will edit the existing one by clicking the respective edit button. As you can see, a form builder will appear where we can customize the form as per our requirements. Now, to add a paragraph, we will simply drag and drop the paragraph field like this. You can also move your field accordingly. Now, you can also expand the Advanced Fields tab and use the fields from it. You can even provide users with the field description to help them fill up the form correctly. You can customize every field as per your requirements. For example, if I need only 2 rows, so I will type 2 in the rows section and check mark the auto grow option. Now, in my case, I will add 5 rows and unmark the auto grow option and click on update. Make sure to click on update every time you make changes. Once you are done updating, click on preview on blank page. You can see a preview for your form here. So you can see the paragraph text field has been added here, and you can adjust the width of the paragraph field by using drag and drop functionality like this. So this is how easy it is to add paragraph text field in Formidable Form. I hope you liked this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people, so please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in 2 types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.